Today we will learn about cube and some interesting patterns related to them. In the previous session, we learned about power and base. We learned that if a number a is multiplied by itself m times, we represent this multiplication as a to the power of m. Now look at the number 8. If we multiply 2 3 times by itself, we get the number 8. Therefore, we can express 8 as 2 to the power of 3. We read this as cube of 2, which has the value 8. Here 8 is a number that is obtained by multiplying number 2 3 times by itself. We call such a number as cube number or a perfect cube. You must have also heard the term cube in geometry. Do you remember that if an object has 3 equal dimensions, that is, if the length, width, and height of a solid shape are equal, then we call it a cube. For example, a cube with 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter width, and 1 centimeter height is shown here. Just imagine if you're given 8 cubes of 1 centimeter in length, 1 centimeter width, and 1 centimeter height. Can you make a big cube using them? Give it a try. Absolutely right. With this, you can make a complete cube. This is why we call 8 and all similar numbers as cubes. Now, try to answer this. Is 9 a cube number? You got it right. Here, we are getting 9 by multiplying 3 by itself only 2 times. So, we cannot call it a cube. Yes, if we multiply 3 one more time, then the number obtained is 27, which is a cube number. You can make a cube by using 27 cubes, which are 1 centimeter in height, 1 centimeter in length, and 1 centimeter in width, and establish that this number is a perfect cube. Cube of numbers from 1 to 20 are shown here. Try to learn them as they are very useful in mathematics. As you can see, the number 1 is an odd number, and if we look at its cube, that is also an odd number. Similarly, you can see that 2 is an even number and its cube is also an even number. Is this true for all numbers and their cubes? You can stop the video and find out. You will find that the cubes of even numbers are even and the cubes of odd numbers are odd. Similarly, you can also see that if the digits in the units place in a number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then the digit in the units place of its cube is also the same. If the digit in the units place of the number is 2, then the digit in the units place of its cube is 8. And if the digit in the units place of the number is 8, then the digit in the units place of its cube is 2. Is this also true in terms of 3 and 7? Pause the video and find it for yourself. Now, you can now find out which digit will be in the units place of the cube of a number by looking at the digit in the units place of the number itself. Now let us learn how to find out if a number is a perfect cube or not. It is very easy. Suppose we have to find out whether 216 is a perfect cube or not. For this, we have to do prime factorization of 216. In this method, we divide the number by prime numbers until we get a prime number or 1. Like here, we will divide 216 by 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 3 respectively. Now we can write 216 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which we can write as 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3. There is also a rule in the laws of exponents: a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m is equal to a multiplied by b to the power of m. Using this rule, we can write 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 here, which would mean 6 to the power of 3. Since we can write 216 as the cube of a whole number 6, 216 is a perfect cube. You should also understand one more point. If the power of all the prime factors of a number is 3 or a multiple of 3, that is, if we divide all the prime factors into groups of 3, only then that number will be a perfect cube. Now let's talk about 1372. Its prime factorization can be done in such a way that we know that 1372 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, which we can write as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of 3. Now here we can see that the power of one factor is 3, but the power of the other is 2. Since the power of all factors is not 3, we cannot call 1372 a perfect cube. Can you tell what can we do to convert it into a perfect cube? Think for a while. Of course, we have to multiply 1372 by 2 to get the number 2744. So now the power of 2 becomes 3, and we can express the factors 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 7 to the power of 3 as 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of 3, or 14 to the power of 3. Therefore, the number obtained 2744 is a perfect cube. Now look at the given pattern. Here you can see that the sum of consecutive odd numbers is a perfect cube. Isn't this interesting? Now proceed with this pattern by yourself. By now, you must have understood many interesting facts about cube. So today, we learned about cubes and some interesting patterns related to them. In the next video, we will see some more examples related to them.